nightlife street of Pattaya, which is the one of the famous street in all over the world. If you really love the night party, come here and enjoy the moment. Finally, I checked in my hotel, and this is my small hotel. See. और इंडियन के अलावा और भी लोग आते हैं क्या? Hi guys, good morning. Today is the third day in Thailand and I am in Bangkok. Now heading towards Pattaya. So I just check out from my hotel and I will take bus. It will take 2 hours to reach Pattaya and next 3 days I will be there. If you have not watched my Phuket video, you can click on the link which is now blinking on corner of your video. When you are in Bangkok, you can spend couple of days, depends on you. Hey guys, if you have not watched yet my previous episode about adult nightlife of Bangkok, then you can go through the link which I already given in description. If you are planning to travel Pattaya, then Bangkok is the landing point and from there you can get a direct bus from airport. Or else you can also get a direct bus from Bangkok's Ikamai metro station. Whenever you travel to Thailand, then must try their fruit salad because it's very tasty and 100% organic. From Ikamai metro station, I have to take a cab which will take 2 hours to reach Pattaya. I can take the bus, but bus it will take time and now it can go very fast. So it depends on you. If you want to travel by minibus, then you can travel, but you have to pay 20-30 bahts more. So for me, I want to reach there before 4 p.m. So I decided I will take the mini cab. And for this bus service, I only paid 80 bahts, which is near about 180 rupees. After reached Pattaya, then I booked a bike taxi and headed towards my hostel. Finally, I checked in my hotel and this is my small hotel. See. There is a small fridge is there. I can keep my cold drinks. This is my private washroom. This is the locker, a nice one. For 3 days I booked this hotel and near about I have paid only 1020 baht, which is the cheaper, I think probably one of the cheapest hotel in Pattaya. And yeah, you can do it if you want to take the private room and come in the solo trip, then you can do this type of booking. And I booked it from hostelworld.com and that hostel is the Happy Hostel. So I think this is the probably good one in Thailand because the last 2 days I stayed in other hostels and that hospitality is not so good, but this one is the seems good. So now I'm at an Indian restaurant, which name is the Christian restaurant. The owner is here. So Indian के अलावा और भी लोग आते हैं क्या?
इंडियन के अलावा
जैसे पाकिस्तानी, बांग्लादेशी, नेपाली,
नेपाल तो बहुत ज़्यादा है।
अच्छा,
नेपाल आती है, इसके अलावा फ्रांस आती है, लंदन का वो जो अंग्रेज आती है, रशिया आती है,
रशियंस आते हैं तो फॉर
नेपाल आते
इंडियन
हैं।
फूड ना? Yes. Okay. So basically all type of people are coming here, but more Indians are coming. Right? Yes. So since morning I have not eaten any food, like only taken fruits and salad. So now I can take the Indian delicious food. After had my dinner, I headed towards that place where people never sleep at night. Let's go towards the walking street. By the way, I already uploaded a separate video on walking street. You can watch it by clicking on the link in description. is the nightlife street of Pattaya, which is the one of the famous street in all over the world. People usually come to here to roam around the whole city at night time, and the main is known for the fooding, party, and bars and body massage. The line which I skipped. Yes, guys, this is world's best massage center where you can do the massage. But after that, if you want to do something, then be careful and take the proper precautions. Once come here and enjoy these moments, then you can understand why the people are coming all over the here, and whole night it continue. Supermarket you can buy your favorite gear. This is Pattaya's night walking street beach. Every day people sit here and enjoy the night moment. You can come with your family and you can sit here. Every night it happens like New Year night. So you can see. My suggestion is whenever you come here, come with the soft drinks and little bit snacks and sit with your friends or family and enjoy this atmosphere. Now let's have a look on Thai street food. If you are a non-vegetarian, then this place is swag for you because Thailand is also known for its street food as well. So I'm going to fly one ton. It is 30 baht. Not more. Now it's time 12 a.m. Still it's crowded all over the street. So it remains crowded until 3 a.m. morning. So far my experience about night walk street Pattaya been awesome. It's a really nice place. It's not only for adult life or for massage. You can come here enjoying the parties and the beach life and the shopping. So many things you can do. And this place is the one of famous tourist spot not only in Thailand but over the southeast part. So come and enjoy. In next episode, I will share my experience about Pattaya's elephant village and a beautiful Hindu temple. And thanks for watching till end. Stay tuned and bye bye.